What's up, guys? Just got finished packing up my stuff for a trip for Half Dome. Right here, got all my clothes. Shit closed. I got my hiking backpack right here, and this thing is heavy. Honestly, I think I might have overpacked. Got my water right here. It's like a 3-liter one. Tripod. I got all my camera equipment, snacks. Might have overdone it, but screw it. 30-pounder right here. Put this to the side. I got my other snacks in the front, but check this out. Peak design. This thing is quality. Honestly, everything they make is super nice. And I had this on my back, didn't even feel like 30 pounds. The support is honestly really nice. But I'm gonna have to make a stop at Walmart real quick to get some carabiners, because the one I got, they're pretty small and I don't think they're gonna fit in the cable. So I'm gonna have to make a pit stop. See you guys then. Made it to Walmart, going to get these carabiners, and from there, ooh, got a long drive ahead. Let's go. Got the carabiners. Then I forgot my gloves at home, so I had to get some of these. But honestly, these ones are better, I say, because they're the guarding ones, so it's like rubber. Obviously, the rubber's some more grip when I'm grabbing them to the cables. So I got that. Monster. Need a little energy for this long drive. This one said it was a strawberry lemonade. Pretty good. So yeah, got the stuff, carabiners, gloves, got a little bit of snacks. Now I believe it's gonna be like a 6-hour drive. Let me see. Yeah, so I'm gonna be driving to Yosemite. I'm gonna be parking in Curry Village. 6 hours and 20 minutes. On top of that, I'm driving an electric car, so I have to charge it, and dude, that's gonna be a pain. So I'm going to have to make a stop in Bakersfield. Probably going to be there for like 30 minutes to an hour. And then once I leave Bakersfield, I'm going to be driving to Fresno. I'm going to charge up there again. Then from there, I'll head straight to Yosemite, park in Curry Village. Changing my gear, get everything set up. I'm going to head straight to the trail. All right, let's get this drive started. Guys, got here to the charging station. If you can't tell, my voice is gone. It's too much singing. But yeah, charging the car right now, because like I said, gotta make a stop to charge it, or else I won't make it all the way. My voice is gone. Fuck, dude, I can't speak. But anyways, while it's charging, I'm gonna charge it to like 80%. While it's charging, I'm going to set up my little bed. Let's take this out. And then I'm going to get my inflatable bed cooked. There we go. There's my little camp, inflatable bed, not bad. Gonna be resting there for a bit. On to the next station, and the final stop, Yosemite and Half Dome. All right, guys, at the last stop, charging at the final station. I'm in, what was it, Oak something. About to take a nap. I'm gonna get dressed too. Gonna put my my sweater on. Gonna put some sweatpants. Get all my stuff ready. So right when I get there, just going to get straight to the hike. My voice is gone. Put this up right here. I need to stretch. Been in that car for too damn long. Now my shoulder feels weird. holding that steering wheel for 6 hours. But yeah, I got a Nike shirt on, Gymshark shorts, and honestly, I don't even have any hiking boots or shoes. I got running shoes on Cloud, so I mean, I hope they work, but who knows. Just realized, forgot my damn bucket hat. Always forgetting something. Alright, I'm about to take a nap here on my little bed. Maybe like a 20-minute nap. Got my little snack. Honey Zinger. Stinger. Oh damn, I thought it said Zinger. Anyways, I'm going to bed. It's quiet as hell. Just got here. Ready to start hiking. I got here a little bit later. It's like almost about to be 4. I was hoping to get here at like 3, but it's whatever. Yo, I'm fucking tired. Screw this shit. I'm gassed out. This backpack weighs me down.
Afraid of heights at all? No. Okay. You deal with vertigo issues? No. Alright, no more problem.
Shout out to this guy right here on my left. I was unsure at this point because after Subdome, I was dead. Like I said, the whole way on the hike, I was gassed out. After Subdome, I was done. I was still thinking about doing it, but I was unsure, and he just gave me the extra little push that I needed to go up. So shout out to him and really everyone. Everyone's so nice and helpful, giving you positive vibes, saying you can do it. Just overall a great experience. So just shout out to him and everyone on this hike.
You got your GoPro going?
Yeah.
coming down.
All right.
Need a cold one after this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just one. Just
Maybe a
More
few.
than one. Need the whole 6-pack.
Yeah. All right.
Almost at the top. Right up there. Ready?
Yeah.
Start moving.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's the way.
You coming down?
Good job, dude. You filming right now?
Yeah.
What's up?
Well, it just ended like literally a few seconds ago. Yeah,
Good job,
like
dude.
3 minutes.
Good job making it up. You're there. That's the cool part.
Hell yeah.
You're home free.
Oh, I know. I
What?
No, I think I'm backwards. I think it's sideways, actually.
You can step up on here if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, I saw some guy. Holy shit, it's finally getting better.
My legs are gone. You want to
Yeah.
pass by?
No, you
No, my
stay
legs-
with, man. We gotta push the end together.
My legs are fucking done.
Yeah.
Yo, I finally made it to the top of Half Dome. This thing was no fucking joke. My legs gone. As soon as I got here, I freaking tumbled. Like, I'll pull up the clip. I haven't recorded on my glasses. This thing's no joke.
I know, man. I'm the same way. Good work, man.
Woo! Right here. Ah. Woo!
You okay, man?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Dead.
I am. My legs were dead before I even started this.
Didn't help that my backpack weighs 30 pounds. That thing weighed me down. And as you can tell, my voice is still kind of gone, but hey, I'm up here now though. Check it out. Look at that view. Take a look. Let's go take a look. Oh, damn, a lot of steps. Hopefully no one steals my backpack. Look at that view. I'm not going closer because I'm scared I'm going to fall off. Look at that. Crazy. But yeah, I've been chilling up here for a minute. Anyways, I've been here long enough. I'm gonna take some pics and I'll head out. I'm gonna go back to that trail. I don't even know which one it was, but the water was nice. Deuces.
And this is its home. We're in its home.
Check this out. Crazy. This thing is beautiful. Little waterfall going on. These views are insane. This right here is peaceful as hell. Sheesh. It's crazy. Cabin in the woods. I feel like a complete idiot. Recorded this whole segment, just explaining what's happening. Go to my phone and it's not recording. Anyways, yeah, over here, just pulled up by the lake. I was gonna go to El Capitan, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna make it. The sun's already setting down, and I was gonna run it, but I was like, nope, forgot. Still got shin splints, so just gonna come right back because I'm not running that. But yeah, I was trying to see if I could get some pictures of the people climbing. Let's get some pictures of them, see if I could see them on El Capitan, but it's not looking like it. Then I tried to go through this trail too, but the water ate it up, the river, so it's not a trail anymore. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be in this area, gonna be just chilling, taking some pics, playing with the water. I don't know. I'm even more sad because there's a Starbucks by here. I want to go, and they close in like 5 minutes. I'm like, no way. But yeah, it's day 2 of Yosemite. I was thinking of staying for another day, but I'm like, nah. Probably want to head out to San Francisco right after this. Get some more footage out there. But yeah, for now, just gonna be chilling. And yeah, honestly, I kind of was bummed out. I didn't want to go to El Capitan, but I couldn't make it on foot, but I'm a little slow and I forgot that they have the shuttles, so I could have took one, but yeah, I realized that later, so. Look at that view. Beautiful. It's crazy. So this is going to end off my 2-day trip to Yosemite. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was my first video, so I hope everything was good. If there's anything you guys think I could have done better, make sure to let me know. Give me that feedback. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.